In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 to blow up as an influencer in 2025 step by step. If you're looking to elevate your presence on social media and connect with a wider audience, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know using the powerful features of Sora 2. First things first, you need to open Sora 2. Once you're in, make sure to select Portrait because this format is perfect for social videos, which are often viewed on mobile devices. Portrait videos optimize your content for these platforms, ensuring that it's viewer-friendly and engaging. Next, crafting a trending prompt is essential. Think about current trends and themes that resonate with your target audience. For instance, a prompt such as a confident influencer giving motivation in a modern city background not only sets the scene, but also captures the essence of what your video will convey. Tailoring your content to these trends can significantly increase its shareability and reach. Now, it's time to add a personal touch by including your face. Personal branding is key to connecting with your audience and building a recognizable online persona. By incorporating your image into the video, you establish a stronger connection with your viewers, making your content more relatable and memorable. Once you have your face added, select a viral style. The style you choose should resonate with the kind of content you want to produce. Whether it's the cinematic flair for a dramatic touch, the informal yet engaging vibe of a vlog, or the catchy and quick movements of TikTok, selecting the right style can significantly impact how your video is received. With all the elements in place, it's time to click Generate and watch as Sora 2 brings your vision to life. The generation process is swift, but remember that the end product will be a reflection of the effort and creativity you put into the initial setup. Posting consistently is crucial when aiming to build an audience on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Regular uploads not only keep your current followers engaged, but also attract new viewers looking for fresh content. Consistency builds momentum, keeping your growth trajectory steady. Finally, engagement is the name of the game. Once your video is live and drawing attention, make a point of interacting with your audience by responding to comments. This interaction does more than just boost your video's reach. It fosters a sense of community and loyalty among your followers. When your audience feels heard and valued, they are more likely to stick around and continue engaging with your content. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Sora 2 to kickstart your journey as a thriving influencer in today's fast-paced digital world. Follow these steps diligently, and you'll be well on your way to making an impact and growing your social media presence.